Okay, so today's the day. We're gonna fire this up, hopefully, see if it runs. If it runs all right, prop comes off, we go over to the dyno, and then we'll see how it dynos out. We've already noticed that there's a fuel leak, so we gotta take the front cover off and get at that one of the hoses. Here, I'll show you. Right down inside there is where we have to go. So front cover off, and then we should easily be able to pop that hose off and repair it. Okay, we're gonna reassemble everything on the front, put the shifter and throttle cables back in place, move it over to the dyno and see if it runs. Well, runs up, I should say.
I like not having to fucking haul that bitch.
Lighter than
When you
All right, it's time for the show. It's hooked up to the dyno. We just have to tilt it down, hook up the water, and it'll be ready to go. We want to see about 1800 PSI on the dyno. That's going to let us know that this engine's going to perform the way it's supposed to for this guy. It's Friday. It's got to work. Hey, bring out your laser.
Come on, hustle. Let's go. Let's go, Joey. Come on.
Come on, gotta get
Come
this
on.
done.
Goodness gracious, look at this guy. Look at how athletic that run
I'm
was.
sorry I had a coffee cup in my hand.
That is the most athletic looking run I've ever seen.
163, 167, 182. Oh, okay, we'll restart it. Okay, so ran it up on the dyno. We hit the numbers that we wanted to hit. Around, what, 1750, 1800, so that's good. Might have another problem though. It looks like it might be running a little bit hot. So we're gonna run it one more time, make sure that we're getting adequate water to this engine and see what we come up with. So this is why we check. Made sure the hose was straight, there's no kinks. We repositioned the water intake down at the bottom and ran the engine up, or ran it. It runs around 130 degrees where we want it to. And also we had to re-clean out the telltale, which leads us to believe that maybe there's a little bit of something. Anyway, it's all cleaned out. It's running at the correct temperature. We got decent numbers out of it. So this guy should be ready for the weekend. In. I'm Jamie from Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, joined with my son Tej, my nephew Joey. These are my marine medics. It's been a long, hard struggle with this engine, and it took a lot of effort from all of us to get this thing ready. We had 2 days. A bit of a backstory about this engine is this. The customer showed up. His brother had recently passed away, and he wanted this engine and the entire boat fixed so that his nephews would have something to do on Father's Day. Father's Day is in 2 days, and we got this bad boy ready for him. We had to put on a used gear case, used tilt, used intermediate housing. We had to drill bolts out. We had to change exhaust covers out, gaskets. We had to do steering. All of us, 100%. All the while trying to get everything else done at the shop at the same time, because, well, it's that time of year. So, choke it up. This is for you and the boys. I hope you guys appreciate it.